welcome back to Donnie's Adventures. We're here in Meredith, New Hampshire for the second time. The last time we were here, we had about 30 miles an hour winds. It was freaking insane. So we came back because it just got so windy to the point where we really couldn't magnet fish to the point because it's really cold and everything was blowing everywhere. So we're back in Meredith. Hopefully find some really good stuff. What do you think we're gonna find?
Your glasses.
That's right, because I lost my glasses in here, so hope to God we can find them. But I'm hoping for a safe full of money. What do you think?
Yeah, I want that too.
It's all right. So, wow, that's really nice.
We will be paying for the weather.
So we're really close. We got to about 500 subscribers now. We're getting there to 1,000, but we need your help. So please hit that like and subscribe, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family and your dog, your cat, your neighbor. Just don't eat them, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. Let's see if we can find some stuff. All right, you're recording now.
Where do we go? Yeah?
Anywhere you want. Here. I'll just get sick.
Don't get sick.
Yeah, big on.
You get sick, I'm gonna be mad.
And
everyone is over there, I'm the only one over here.
He doesn't want them to take it down. He doesn't want them to
Hey, I found something. Something. I found a screw.
Huh?
I found a screw.
You found a screw? Let's go.
Screw loose. You screw loose. Hey, looky.
What you
A thing.
got? You got a thing?
Oh, I got something.
You got something?
Yeah.
And
Oh, that's a razor blade.
where's the blade?
Oh wow, that's an old razor blade.
Where's the blade?
That's not good to throw in the water.
Dang, boy. I got something.
Oh, damn. What did you get?
Something? Look at this.
Look, I think I got that.
I got the dolphin.
Oh.
It's the Titanic.
That looks like something that would look like dangerous. Oh, I know what that is. That's like a thing for a dog. Oh, look! I'm on the hook.
Oh, hey!
It's Captain Hack.
You need help?
Oh,
You
God.
got it?
Yeah.
Make sure you show your camera.
I got this.
Back up.
I don't know what it is. Oh shit! I don't know what it is. No, it came apart.
Okay, that's good, bro.
It looked like a dolphin. I'm just dolphin. Look it. Ooh. No, look.
We got a couple boats coming. What? Are you stuck? Oh, I got a fishing line and it's still attached. Do I got a fish? Wouldn't that be hilarious? Man, this thing's a lot. Just keeps going and going. You gonna do something?
I'll make the camera angle better.
Oh, okay. Jeez, this thing just keeps going. Is there a fishing rod in there? I think I'm on a fishing rod. Oh wait, nope. Here's something coming. I got something. I caught weeds.
There we go. That's a better.
Look, I caught weeds. Oh.
Good job, Dad.
Oh yeah, I still got fishing line on there. There's still fishing line. I think there's a fishing rod out there. So I'm still pulling. Oh, no, there it is. Finally got the end of it. Look at all that. That's a lot of fishing line. Is there a hook on the end? Please tell me there's a hook. There's gotta be a hook on this thing. Let's pull out the weeds. It's gotta be. I think. I don't see anything. Maybe it's just fishing line. Want some weed? Go get it.
Catch a hook. Look a hook. Baby. I catch a hook.
Cool, show your camera.
I did. I catch a hook.
Remember, camera's over here, not down there.
Oh, I catch a hook.
Hey, here. Okay, yeah, that's gonna work. How small?
Whoa. Yeah, it's small. At the penny. What?
You want me to throw a magnet?
The hook?
No, do you want me to
Take
throw
the
the magnet
hook.
in for you?
Put the little thing. Yes, please. Yeah.
Which line?
Hi.
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
Now we're getting Catherine to do it. Hey! Oh, I got excited. It was a nice lure, but it was broken. Whoa! Huh? It was a nice lure. Alright.
I got the cell phone.
You got a cell phone?
Yeah.
Hey, I got a cell phone.
I got a cell phone.
Oh, an old flip phone.
Look at Blue.
Oh, wow.
Well, damn.
Wow, that thing's old.
Yeah.
Damn. Hello?
I got the cell
Wow, look at that one. That one's old as hell.
That is.
That is. Let's see if this thing still opens up. So we can get some cell service. Oh, there we go. Now we can get the service. There we go. Yeah, that'll work now.
Well,
Wait. Oh, there we go. There's the. Man, that's a good find. I like that one.
well.
Damn, that's old. There you go. There's your cell phone.
That was Catherine.
The last thing it heard was, oh shit.
Yeah. Oh! That's got to be at least 10 years old or more. So you get some cell service. Oh, there we go. Now we can get the service. There we go. Yeah, that'll work now.
Well.
Wait. Oh, there we go. There's the. Man, that's a good find. I like that one.
Well.
Damn, that's old. There you go. There's your cell phone.
That was Catherine.
The last
Yeah.
thing it heard was,
If it works. Oh, we got a half of a shotgun shell. Eagle 12 gauge. 12 gauge shotgun shell. And an old nail. Yes, put your arms in there. What the hell is that? Don't fall, honey. I don't know what that is. It's very spendy.
I got spendy. Oh, that polio yoga thing.
I don't know, but how the hell do you? Oh, I know why. You got the bottle cap on there.
Yeah, I got the bottle cap. This is Bud Light, I think. No, Canola Light.
Canola?
Canola Light. I got.
How about Corona?
Canola Light.
Corona.
I got 2 packs. I got baby.
I got a screw. Yeah. Oh my God! Woo! Oh, got another damn ball of help and a big ass hook. I got Michelob this time and a big ass hook. Nothing but hooks and bottle caps in here. Oh, I got a fishing line. I got a fishing line.
And there's also.
Oh, what a surprise! Another bottle cap. Budweiser.
Oh, I got gunk all over me.
You got what?
Gunk all over me.
Oh, what's that? Hey, I got a jag. And Bud Light. Oh, don't worry, I'm not gonna get it off with that one. That was that hard. If I mix that one, it's gonna be a bitch. If I mix that magnet with that magnet. Wow, that's really nice. You made us do anything, ha ha ha. You suck. Hey, I got another weight. Another old weight. Oh, there it goes.
You dropped your weight, baby.
Where'd it go? There we are. I got the weight back. I got the weight. The boats will be coming in. Whoa.
You got something?
Oh yeah. I just hooked on something really heavy. Oh my God. Huh? Oh, thank you. I don't know, but it's heavy. I can feel that. Oh, of course, it's another piece of chunk of metal. Look at the size of that one.
Damn.
Look at the size of that piece of metal. Look at that. Full of crap, too.
Damn, boy.
Big bento.
My magnet's so strong, I can pick up the Titanic itself.
What is happening? What is happening? I am so confused right now. I am so confused. I don't know what's happening right now. You know your Manning's still in the water, right? Oh, we got a fishing line. And wait. Oh, found a weight. We got a weight. Coca-Cola. Hockey and Coca-Cola.
I
Here.
thought you said a bull. I got something with color. Look, Dad.
Hey, what is that?
I don't know. I don't have gloves.
Power bait. Ah, You found a bait cap. Well, that's been there for a while. That's been there for a while.
A bait cap.
You're like, look.
Look.
Hold on. Ah, god damn it. Oh. Okay, I found. Hey, it looks like an earring. I think I found an earring. I found a metal earring. Metal earring. And another hook. Oh, another bowler cap. What?
Oh, I got shit!
You got shit!
I got shit!
You got shit to watch your language.
I got stuff. I got bear.
Oh, bear.
I got like
What is that?
a chain thing.
You got
A chain thing.
Put the gloves on. Max, we're gonna head out soon.
Hey, looky.
What'd you get?
A thing.
Good thing.
Oh, I got something.
You got something?
It's
Oh, that's a razor blade.
where's the blade?
Oh wow, that's an old razor blade.
Where's the blade?
That's not good to throw in the water.
Splash.
My glasses still like stairs on it. Weird.
Hey, looky.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta
Hello.
make sure you show your camera.
I got the law.
A bomb?
Honey, if the camera's pointing this way and you're going down here.
I got the law. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It looks
I got a little old nail.
it's a law with the hook. Look at the hook. See?
Oh yeah.
I feel like that's the more.
Alright.
Oh, looky.
Alright.
I got the cell phone.
You got a cell phone?
Yeah,
Hey, I got a cell phone.
I got a cell phone.
Oh, an old flip phone.
Oh, looky, it flew
Oh
me.
wow.
Well, damn.
Wow, that thing's old.
Damn.
Damn. Hello?
I got the cell
Wow.
phone.
Man, look at that one. That one's old as hell.
That is.
So you get some cell service. Oh, there we go.
There you
Now we can get
Now
the
you can get a
service.
signal.
There we go. Yeah, that'll work now.
Well,
Wait. Oh, there we go. There's the. Man, that's a good find. I like that one.
well.
Damn, that's old. There you go. There's your cell phone.
That's Catherine.
Thing
Yeah.
it heard was.
That's gotta be at least 10 minutes.
Imagine you find your.
So we have Max on it. And hi, baby.
Hello.
I got something.
What'd you get?
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
I got the weight.
That's some weight off you.
I got the weight with the hook. Look at that.
Whoa. I can't get it off.
Big ones.
Good dad.
I'm gonna bring your camera down like this, but that way you can see it. What?
Do you have the clip from the video?
Which
It's
one?
the
Yeah.
weight with the hook on it.
Yeah.
Kind of look like a safety pin.
I actually have my goggles.
Whee!
Well, everybody, that's going to do it for matting and fishing for today. We didn't really find much. Well, my fiance here found most of the stuff, found an old cell phone and a whole bunch of other stuff. We also found some weights and hooks and stuff, but nothing too crazy. This is Catherine. She sat down and did absolutely nothing. That's okay. She's antisocial.
We still love her.
We still love her. We got Max in the back there. She doesn't want to be on camera. She's twerking over there. So please hit the like and subscribe button. We are going to come back here eventually, probably next year sometime.
No. Don't you?
Give me a second. They're doing something over there. I'll just go a little closer. That way it's just me. So we're going to be pretty close to winter time, and go again. It's very close to winter time, so magnet fishing is going to be really scarce right now. So when it gets really cold, we're probably not going to be able to do it. So we'll see what happens. But please hit the like and subscribe button.
Yeah.
What would you like to say?
Hi.
Subscribe to my dad.
Subscribe for a wedding so we
to
can
my
pay
dad.
for.
Whatever they just said, because the English words work well. Max, you want to say anything? Max says ah. Thanks for watching, buddy. See you guys next time.